This summer we've been working with children and young people aged 7 to 16 doing songwriting workshops. The children and young people were totally in control of their own songs. The theme, the structure and the words were all up to them.
My song is about a hotel with a football pitch, a restaurant, a swimming pool, a shop.
I've already done my chorus, now I'm working on my verses.
If you're going to write a song, you need to put some rhyming words and my vocabulary.
But now we need your help. We want you to take their amazing lyrics and turn them into real songs. Whether it's setting them to music and then recording them, performing them live, or even appearing at our special festival at Wentworth Woodhouse. We need your help to bring their wonderful lyrics to life.